Hi, this is Mrs. Stewart, and I have just found out that some people are having trouble accessing our resources in MackinVIA, so I wanted to give you a workaround until our regular link to MackinVIA is fixed. The normal way, just so you know what I'm talking about, is through the Google site, or maybe you're using your email link that I sent out in your Gmail, or maybe you're using the link in your Language Arts Schoology page to get to MackinVIA. But what happens is it brings up this window, the regular link brings up this window that is asking for a username and password. And we don't have a username or password to get into MackinVIA. So the workaround, and I have placed this on our library page down here under the other MackinVIA link, is just to go directly to MackinVIA.com. So you can type that into your Google browser and go right there, or you can use the link here from the Information Center Google site. And what it does is it will take you directly to the MackinVIA page that looks like this. Now this also looks like you need an ID and password, but if you start to type in our school name, Netzeberg Middle School, the page will change, so now all you have is a login button. And if you click on the login button, you will have the page that is correct that lets you sign in with your student Gmail account. And this is the one we want to use. So I'm just going to sign in to show you. It'll take me to my Google account, to my MackinVIA account using my student Gmail. And ta-da! We're in MackinVIA. We have lots of new ebooks there and more new ebooks coming. So look in, check it out. Check out some ebooks, check out some audiobooks. You can get to everything now. And I will let people know when the regular link to MackinVIA is working again properly. Thanks. Bye-bye.